So this onion raw honey cough syrup is ready. What did I do? I took equal quantity of sliced onion and raw honey and let it ferment for about 5 hours, and in 5 hours this onion honey cough syrup is ready. So the onion variety which I used for it is the light colored onion, so not the red one. Okay, so the strong onion is what is more helpful in it. If anyone is around Sector 47 Noida, they can come and collect in person. Otherwise, I have already shared the recipe with you. Thank you very much. Keep loving Triaanyas the way you always do.